everyone. Welcome back to my channel where we explore fascinating facts about Islam and its rich history. Before we begin, if you enjoy learning about Islamic facts, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Let's dive into today's enlightening facts. Did you know that the Quran, the holy book of Islam, is written in a unique style known as inimitability? This means that the eloquence and linguistic features of the Quran are so profound that they cannot be replicated, and this is considered one of the miraculous aspects of the Quran. Let's explore the beauty of the Islamic calendar. The Islamic calendar, also known as the Hijri or lunar calendar, is based on the phases of the moon. It consists of 12 months, each with 29 or 30 days, and it's used for religious purposes, determining the dates of Islamic events and festivals. Have you ever wondered about the significance of the Kaaba? The Kaaba, located in the holy city of Mecca, is the most sacred site in Islam. Muslims around the world face towards the Kaaba during their daily prayers, emphasizing the unity and universality of the Muslim community. Let's talk about Islamic art and geometry. Islamic art is known for its intricate geometric patterns. This reflects the idea of unity and order in the universe, echoing the Islamic concept of Tawhid, the oneness of God. Did you know that Islam encourages environmental stewardship? The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized the importance of taking care of the environment. There are numerous hadiths that speak about not wasting water, planting trees, and treating animals with kindness. Here's an intriguing historical fact. The House of Wisdom in Baghdad, established during the Islamic Golden Age, was a center for learning and translation. Scholars from different cultures worked together, translating Greek, Roman, Persian, Indian into Arabic, preserving and advancing knowledge.